Today's accomplishment involved, whew, I'm telling you what, this is a workout, but it is so satisfying. I actually uncovered the pathway that's on the side of my house. These little stones haven't seen the light of day in years, so I'm gonna further go in and clean them out. But that was a huge accomplishment, clearing out a lot of these saplings that grew up over the year. You see that big pile of stuff I cut down? Yes, and just some beautiful things to acknowledge. Look at this glorious patch of violets. I really want to collect some of these, but I'm gonna wait. There are other places where violets grow. Oh, okay, bee. There are other places where violets grow, and I want these to get a foothold and spread. Also, I have right here in the middle of the pathway, not one, not two, but four catnips coming up, and I have an event to do later in the year, so I'm gonna let these grow a bit more. I don't want them to stay here, but I'm gonna let them grow, and then I'll cut them down and dry them so they can be used for tea and medicine later in the year. And here we have, I need to give this girl a name, this giant comfrey plant that is just gorgeous. She comes up every year, one of many, I will say. So again, getting prepared for a big event coming up that we're gonna need a lot of medicine for, so gonna leave her alone for now. Of course, needs to be dried before it's used. And have quite a bit of motherwort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like a million motherwort plants. So I'm gonna let those continue to flourish, and a little bit later we will be getting those ready to go. So I just wanted to share that with you today, because this really is sort of like a little before and after, because it's going to look probably a lot, a lot different once I get it together over this year and years to come. But I tell you what, it is closer than the gym and cheaper than therapy. Nature heals. All right, y'all. Peace.